Cheers guys, how's it going? Carburetor casing, a speciality of Vespa engines. The carburetor sits in a closed case. Usually there are rubbers everywhere and it's a closed room. Here connected to the frame where the fresh air comes in from that hole under the seat. What does a flooded engine, drowned engine mean? In case of a Vespa, it does not mean that the engine, it's connected here over the intake, is full of fuel. It just means that the air in this room here, in this closed casing, is too rich. So the engine cannot start. Too rich air means at a Vespa engine that kind of the engine is drowned. It's a flooded engine. But remember, it doesn't need to be a lot of fuel in the engine. Just the air inside the casing is enough that you will have warm start issues. The engine does not start.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?